Welcome viewers to our 28th episode of dress materials. Before starting the display, want to acknowledge all of your great support to continue the online exhibition and transaction through both prepay and COD, means cash on delivery system. On episode 25, I had mentioned an unpleasant incident regarding COD, but it is not the whole picture. It is a very small fraction of the scenario. After sharing the incident, I have received so much sympathy, empathy, love and support from all of you that which has boosted up my energy. We are continuing COD very successfully. Moral of this incident is no negativity can stop a real positive energy. Thanking you all for being with me, starting today's show. Starting with multicolored dress material. All are 3 pieces. Kurta is of 3 meter and the dupatta is of 2.5 meter with bottom, and bottom is not of silk, and this is for the border for the kurta, and this is for the sleeves. This butta for the back. Anybody can stitch a full sleeve thing if you want, or you can stitch a long dress. This is for the dupatta and this will be the bottom. The price is 3950. The same category, another color with yellow, butta for the back, sleeves with a contrast color and border. This is a dupatta, multicolored, and this is the bottom. Same price, 3950. It is little differently done, multicolored it is of, and all materials are whatever I have shown till now, all are Bishnupur silk. Silks all are Bishnupur, and tussar also I will show you. Those are also zari tussar. This is a kurta. Both side you will get the border to utilize it for your designing. Multicolored but a little different effect, differently done, and this is a bottom. Price is same, 3950. Same type, another piece, another color combo, yellow and green, blue, brown, and for the dupatta, and this is the bottom. 3950. Here the spray color and blocks has been used. This portion, this orange portion is for the sleeves, and this border for your decoration, and the rest will be this blue. This is a contrast dupatta and this will be the bottom. Price is same, 3950. All kurtas are of 3 meters and bottoms are of cotton silk. This is a kurta, borders for the sleeves and butta for the back. And this is a dupatta and bottom. 3950. With block print. This one. Here it is nice combination, grey and maroon. Same way for the sleeves, the borders are there, and this butta for the back, and this border for the neckline, or you can keep it in the downward of the kurta as you like. Sorry. And this is a dupatta, and this will be the contrast. Very nice combination, I think. Brown, grey and maroon. This is a kurta, the hand painted one, and this is for the back. This butta will come for the back. It looks nice. And this is the dupatta and bottom. 3950. Now it is our special hand paint, dye and hand paint. I had shown many colors. Today also I have 2 colors, black and white, most favorite of everybody. Very soothing. Yeah, like this. This is this broad border you can get for the both side, so you can utilize as you like. You can make the sleeves out of it or the yoke, anyway. 3950. Yes. One blue color. These are full very suitable colors for the winter, for the summer, sorry. This is for the both way you can get those 2 patches. And this is the everything is stucking here and there. Yeah, this is the dupatta and bottom. The material of bottom is also very good. Many people used to make kurta also out of this. Now these were the silk, now tussar. Tussar, all are with zari border, zari tussar these are, and it is with kalamkari print. The whole this kurta is with this print with a border for piping purpose. I have given that. And this is a dupatta and bottom. Five two 50 it is. Here that border like things for the kurta, for the sleeves. After that this buta for the back. 3 meter textile you are getting. This is a dupatta and the bottom. The price is same. It is, the print is with multicolor. The price is same, 5250. Concept is same. The border for the front, the border for the sleeves and buta for the back. Multicolored printing. Maple leaf and bottom. It is cotton tussar. The bottom is of cotton tussar. 5250. The combinations are very nice. I like these combinations. And here this is for the front, the sleeves. Here, as the motif is very big, that is why buta has not been given. This is a dupatta and bottom. Price is same, 5250. Grey and blue, royal blue. Here it is in the same way. Lotus border for the front side, then border for the sleeves, then the buta for the back. Nice combination, and the color of these motifs are also very nice. Multicolored motifs. 5250. It is hand painted. The sleeves, the front, and the buta for the back. Vibrant color. Yes, there you go. I should ask to highlight this dupatta. Very nice dupatta, and this is a bottom. $5250. The same, with same concept, the kurta color is different, as the birds are of two colors, yellow and this pink. Two colors I have given. Same way it is a pink, Rani pink kurta, and this is the dupatta, and this is the bottom. Price is same, 5250. After this, with highlighted with zari ari work, it is on zari border. The price of these are 6550. This is, the pattern is same way, border for the front, border for the sleeves, and this butta for the back. All are with ari work, highlighted with the zari thing, and red is the dupatta, and this is the bottom. It is 6550. Very gorgeous. Any good function you can attend with this kind of who are comfortable with the dresses. This is the back thing, back, this one, it is for the back, it is for the front, the border, and for the sleeves. All are highlighted with zari, that ari work. Very nice color, gorgeous one with zari highlighting. Here it is midnight blue and black. This is a front border, the sleeves border, the butta, and this is a, I think it is very rich color, and for nightwear these are good one. 6550. Here it is bottle green and black. Same way, front border and the sleeves border and the butta for the back. These all are good for night function, the color wise, material wise, and this is a dupatta and bottom. 6550. Orange and black, same way, the front border, the sleeves border and the butta. The blocks all are our own blocks, that is why something unique, and this is a set, full set it is 6550. Magenta and black, deep magenta. It is not magenta, it is maroon. Sorry, magenta is there. The motif is beautiful. Just see how nice is. I have done this with this sarees. I have shown you, and this is for the back. Sorry. This is the dupatta and bottom. 6550. Again another piece with reversely done. This combination, I like this combination very much. That is why 2 pieces I have done with this color combination, grey and maroon. On tussar it looks very gorgeous, very decent. This is the dupatta and this is the bottom. Price is same, 6550. It is the magenta color. Same way the borders for the back, for the sleeves, and the butta for the back. Beautiful flower motif on this magenta and magenta bottom. Very rich outfit you can stitch out of this. And last of this category, it is little subtle and not with zari highlighted. It has been highlighted with black as that again maple leaf. The sleeves and the back. It is those who don't like black, they can use it, and the combo is very nice, very decent. The price is same, 6550. Now I have 2 designs of with chanderi, new introduction. If you like, in future I can make more. Chanderi with highlighted, these are all are highlighted with that ari work. I think you can see it. It is a dupatta with little bit, you can see this wrong side I think, yeah. And this is for the bottom. One is grayish and another is bluish. Now this one is grayish. The same concept, only colors are different, and I have not told you and these are all are hand worked. Everything these are hand worked. The price is 3950. This is a Chanderi 3950. Now it is little bit with in higher range and with lots of work, fully worked it is, and it is tussar, but it is mix and match for the materials. Materials all are not tussar, but it is mix and match. This one. The price is 5950. Two colors. All I have done in two pieces with two different colors, just to see the response, how you like it, so that I can work with these concepts or many others new, apart from what I do, apart from those. This is a combination. Price is same, 5950. I have two pieces of ikat. These are pure ikat, and like this. Just I don't know whether you can understand the thickness and the originality of the silk. Absolutely pure silk, very thick quality of silk, and this is a dupatta with handwork, pure silk. This, and the width is also more, and the bottom. It is 7950. The same quality, same type, same concept, another color. Yeah. Beautiful color, and this is for the dupatta. These all are hand worked, fully hand worked, and the bottom. 7950. Last two pieces. It is fully worked on tussar. And this is for the dupatta and the bottom. It is pure silk, it is tussar, all are hand worked, and the price is 7950. This is the last piece of today's show, most exclusive. Just see so colorfully it has been embroidered. This is for the dupatta, and this is the bottom. and the price is $9950. It is most beautiful one and the price is also little high. That's all for today. Hope you have liked today's products and presentation. It's a long awaited episode for the dress materials users and lovers. So please don't delay, as mostly all are single pieced. Namaskar.